You've seen the headlines, right? They're everywhere, and they're all screaming the same thing. The robots are coming for your job. A Goldman Sachs report sent everyone into a panic when it suggested that globally, the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs could be automated. Tech companies are announcing layoffs in the thousands, and they're pointing the finger directly at AI. The fear is real, and maybe you're feeling it too. But what if I told you that this is only half the story? What if the real revolution isn't about the jobs we're losing, but about how every single job is changing? What if it's about the incredible new careers popping up right now? Careers we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. The doom and gloom narrative misses the biggest part of the picture. Your job isn't disappearing, it's evolving. And the people who get that are the ones who are going to win. Okay, let's be real. This anxiety isn't just in our heads. The numbers are staggering. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI could displace around 85 million jobs by 2025. We're seeing this hit industries that have been the backbone of our economy for decades. Take manufacturing, where one report from MIT and Boston University projected that AI could replace as many as 2 million workers by 2025. Or look at retail, where some analysts predict a huge portion of jobs could face automation in the coming years, thanks to a storm of new tech and shifting consumer habits. For the longest time, we thought automation was a threat mostly to blue-collar manual labor jobs. But the explosion in generative AI has completely flipped the script. Now, white-collar, knowledge-based jobs are in the spotlight. Roles in finance, journalism, software development, and even law are seeing tasks automated faster than ever before. Entry-level jobs, which are the starting point for so many careers, are especially at risk. These roles are often filled with the routine, repetitive tasks that AI is just fantastic at. For example, research suggests AI could automate a significant number of tasks currently done by market research analysts and sales representatives. This is a massive shakeup, and it could make it tougher for new grads and young professionals to get their foot in the door. So yes, the disruption is real and it's happening fast. But this isn't the end of the line. It's a turning point. The biggest mistake we can make is seeing this as a cage match, humans versus AI. The real story, the one actually happening in businesses right now, is humans with AI. This isn't about total replacement, it's about augmentation. One study found that while a percentage of jobs could be automated by 2030, a staggering 60% will simply see major changes in their day-to-day tasks because of AI. Think back to when spreadsheets showed up. Did we just fire every accountant on the planet? Of course not. The role of an accountant evolved. Tedious, manual calculation got automated, which freed up accountants to focus on higher-level strategy, financial analysis, and advising. The tool changed, and the job evolved right along with it. That's exactly what's happening now, just on a much, much bigger scale. AI is becoming our new collaborator. In marketing, AI tools can analyze customer behavior at a scale no human team ever could, letting the human marketers focus on creative strategy. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans with incredible accuracy, acting as a second opinion for doctors who make the final call. Companies are using AI to handle the grunt work, the data entry, the transcription, the basic customer questions, which frees up people to do what we do best: complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Research from MIT shows the goal is to bring humans and machines together to achieve something smarter than either could alone. That's the magic of augmentation. The tech makes us better at our jobs and even creates new ones in the process. The story isn't about vanishing jobs, it's about evolving responsibilities. While some job roles are shrinking, entirely new ones are being born from this tech revolution. The World Economic Forum predicts that while AI could displace millions of jobs, it's also expected to create around 97 million new roles by 2025. Longer-term projections are also positive, with one report forecasting a net increase of 78 million jobs globally by 2030. These aren't just simple one-for-one replacements. They are entirely new categories of work. We're not just talking about a little growth. Demand for jobs like AI specialist, machine learning engineer, and data scientist is absolutely exploding. And these jobs aren't just in Silicon Valley, they're popping up in healthcare, agriculture, finance, you name it. But it goes way beyond the super technical roles. Have you heard of a prompt engineer? A few years ago, that job title would have gotten you some weird looks. Now, it's a legitimate career focused on the art and science of talking to AI to get the best results. Or what about AI trainers who teach AI systems? Or AI auditors who make sure they're fair and unbiased? As AI gets woven into our daily lives, we'll need more people who can act as the bridge between human needs and machine capabilities. This is the new frontier of work. It's a landscape that requires a new map, and the people drawing it are the ones embracing this change today. If you're finding this shift in perspective valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve on how AI is reshaping our world, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We break down these complex trends every week to help you prepare for the future of work. So if jobs are evolving this quickly, what can you actually do to prepare? The key is to stop focusing on tasks that can be automated and start honing the skills that are uniquely human. AI can crunch data, but it can't replicate human creativity, strategic thinking, or empathy. This is the dawn of the human-centric skill set. First, technical and digital literacy are no longer optional. Now, this doesn't mean you have to become a hardcore coder overnight, but having a basic understanding of programming languages like Python or getting familiar with machine learning frameworks will give you a massive edge. Data analysis is also becoming a critical skill in nearly every field as companies rely more and more on data to make smart decisions. But the tech skills are only half of it. The real gold is in the skills AI can't easily replicate. The World Economic Forum says analytical and creative thinking are at the top of the list of skills employers are looking for. Critical thinking is vital for judging AI-generated ideas and spotting potential biases. And as AI handles more of the administrative grind, soft skills like leadership, communication, collaboration, and emotional intelligence become your superpowers. Look, this all comes down to a commitment to never stop learning. The days of getting one degree and coasting for 40 years, those are over. We're all in an era of constant upskilling and reskilling. The good news is the resources are out there. Platforms like Coursera, Code Academy, and even free programs from companies like IBM offer courses in these high-demand skills. The future belongs to the adaptable, the curious, and those willing to evolve right alongside the technology. This transformation is about more than just our jobs. It's reshaping the entire global economy. The potential for a massive productivity boom is huge. Some forecasts suggest AI could boost global GDP by up to 7%, adding trillions of dollars to the world economy. Companies that are already integrating AI are seeing major boosts in productivity and innovation. But we have to be honest about the challenges, too. This transition could make inequality worse if we aren't careful. The financial benefits of AI could flow mainly to highly skilled workers, leaving those in easily automated roles behind. A shrinking number of entry-level jobs could make it harder for people to launch their careers and climb the economic ladder. And that's why this isn't just a tech conversation, it's a society conversation. We need to think about new social safety nets, better education and retraining programs, and policies that make sure the incredible benefits of AI are shared by everyone. The stakes are high, but so is the potential for a future where technology amplifies our abilities and creates opportunities for more creative and fulfilling work. So that story about AI coming to steal your job, it's a scary one, but it's only half the story. The truth is a lot more complex, and honestly, a lot more exciting. Yes, some jobs will disappear, but many more will be transformed, and entirely new professions will be created. This isn't the first time technology has caused a massive shift. The Industrial Revolution did the same thing. And while the transition was tough, it ultimately led to new kinds of work and a higher standard of living. We're at a similar crossroads. The question isn't if AI will change your job, but how. Are you going to watch it happen from the sidelines, or are you going to jump in and help shape it? The future of work isn't some dystopian movie script that's already been written. It's a dynamic, unfolding story. By focusing on augmentation over replacement, committing to lifelong learning, and doubling down on our uniquely human skills, we can do more than just survive this transition. We can thrive in it. The goal isn't to avoid being replaced by a machine. It's to become more irreplaceable as a human. You're the one holding the pen. Now I want to hear from you. How is AI already affecting your job or your industry? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.